and welcome to our channel. I'm Maja.
And I'm Dianne. Today we'll be working on our upper and lower back, and I hope you enjoy.
Great, so first we will start on our knees and hands, and we will just stretch a bit. So we'll do some cow and cat exercise. So what is important here is how you breathe. As you can see, when you are doing a cow, you breathe in, and then when you do cat, you breathe out. So when you're opening your chest, you're letting the air in, and then you're closing your chest, you're letting the air out, and you're bringing your back to the ceiling. You'll do this 2 more times. So you stretch nicely, so you can stretch nicely your back. Okay, once more, and you can even hold a bit in this position of cat. Just hold a bit more, and then just relax. And now we can start now, and we will start with our upper back. So what you want to do is hold your belly in, have a very firm core of the body, shoulder blades down, and the shoulders down. Okay, so your arms will make like a little diamond, and then you go up, and then you spread your arms, and then you connect again, and then you put your arms down. So it's up and down and up and down. So you inhale, and then you exhale, and then you inhale and exhale, and so on. Was this 3 times? 4? Okay. Okay, then 4 more. And you should really be careful not to bring your shoulders up when you bring your arms up. And you should feel now a little tension or just warmth in the upper part of your back. So between the shoulder blades. This is it. Okay, great. Okay, good. Now bring your arms up and spread them a bit. And what you want to do is pull your elbows down and then up again, and then pull down, and now you should really feel the muscles that we are targeting today. That is upper back. So really pull. When you are pulling your elbows down, you're also actually pulling your shoulder blades down. How much was this? Let's say 5. 4. So it's 16 in total. Okay, great. 3, 2, and once more. Okay, great. And you put your arms up. Let's have one more inhale and skip, and you just do little movements just to shake it up. Yeah, shake. Okay, what is next? What is next exercise, Dianne? I can't remember.
We're going to go and do our stomach.
Yes. Okay. So first, you will just use your lower back. So now you want to concentrate on the lower back. You can put your arms in a few different positions. One is to put your arms under your forehead. No? Then you can put your arms behind your head. Yes, like this, great. Or you can put your arms on your lower back. So whatever is more comfortable for you. Then you just choose your way, the way you want to do it. And we will do some very simple exercises for the lower back. So you just bring your upper part of the body up and lower. And in this exercise, you can breathe in as you go up, or you can breathe out. So it's up to you what works best for you. Just keep your lower part of the body relaxed. And legs. In this moment, legs are on the floor. You're not bringing your legs up, just the upper part of the body. You don't have to go very high to feel the back. We'll do 16 counts, and then tell
14,
So 2 more.
15, and 16.
Okay, hold a bit. Just hold in this position. We will count 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, great. Okay, so next stage is you're basically doing the same thing, but you will add also legs. Okay, so as you bring your upper part of the body up, as you bring your chest up, you also bring legs up and down. Let's do that 16 times also. You're raising your legs from the hips, not from the knees. That is very important because sometimes people just tend to, you know, to do this with their legs. Yes, to do this, but be careful to raise your legs from hips.
13, 14,
Ah, 13.
15.
I thought you said 14.
16.
Great, and now hold a bit for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. That was great. And now one more exercise. So you will do everything the same again, but this time, as you go up, you will also pull your elbows to your hips and back again. So we'll do that 16 times also, and then we will hold for 8. So now you, as you can see, you can feel your lower back, but also your upper back, and maybe your butt also a bit. Butt a bit.
8, 7, 6, 5,
2, and then you will hold Dianne.
2.
Great. Now just hold, and now
Here.
just work with your arms 8 times. So keep everything up and just work with your arms. If you can't do that at this point, then you can just try to hold, just hold without working with the arms. And then later on maybe you will be able to do it. Great. Okay. Okay. That was very good. You can stretch a bit in the child pose. Usually after exercises per back, it's very nice and relaxing to stretch in the child's pose. So, I think that is it.
Hope you liked it. Hope you got a little bit of a sweat, and that you're feeling your back.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you
See you next time.
Bye.